Pinterest is not just a platform for finding and sharing inspiring images and ideas. It can also be a lucrative source of income through affiliate marketing. If you're looking to monetize your Pinterest presence, this video will guide you through the process of tagging affiliate products on Pinterest and potentially earning up to $165 a day. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale or lead generated through your referral. Pinterest, with its visually appealing nature, can be a powerful tool for affiliate marketers. Here's how to get started. Choose a niche that you're passionate about and have some expertise in. Your enthusiasm and knowledge will shine through in your Pinterest boards and pins, making your recommendations more credible and appealing to your audience. Find affiliate programs that align with your chosen niche. There are various affiliate networks and individual companies that offer affiliate partnerships. Sign up for these programs and gain access to unique affiliate links. If you don't already have one, set up a Pinterest business account. This account type offers valuable analytics and advertising options that can enhance your affiliate marketing efforts. Your success on Pinterest as an affiliate marketer depends on the quality of your content. Create visually striking pins and boards that resonate with your niche and target audience. You can use free design tools like Canva to make eye-catching pins. When creating pins, make sure to incorporate your affiliate links subtly and organically. Pinterest policies require you to disclose that you're using affiliate links, so consider adding a disclaimer to your pins or boards to maintain transparency. Consistency is key on Pinterest. Pin regularly to keep your audience engaged and attract more followers. A combination of your own content and relevant, high-quality pins from others can help you build a vibrant Pinterest presence. Pinterest operates like a search engine, so it's essential to optimize your pins for search. Use relevant keywords in pin descriptions, board names, and pin titles. This will improve your pin's discoverability and drive more traffic to your affiliate products. Interact with your followers by responding to comments and messages. Engaging with your audience can help build trust and credibility, making it more likely that they'll click on your affiliate links. We'll use Pinterest analytics to monitor the performance of your pins and boards. Pay attention to the pins that generate the most clicks and conversions. Adjust your strategy based on these insights. Take advantage of seasonal trends and special occasions. Promote products that are relevant to holidays, events, or current trends in your niche. This can boost your affiliate earnings during peak seasons. Earning $165 a day through affiliate marketing on Pinterest is an achievable goal, but it requires dedication, consistency, and a growing audience. Here's a breakdown of how it's possible. Thanks for watching.